All right, the last one is probably a little hard to hear. You're not immortal. You're not invincible. Wear safety equipment. Get a knee pad. Kneel on knee pads when you're setting a lift. Wear safety glasses when you're cutting, when you're grinding, or you're under a vehicle. Don't be afraid of the old guy in the shop making fun of you because you're wearing PPE. Do not. In this shop, anybody makes fun of anybody wearing PPE, I will, light them up. A few years ago, we had a young technician that came work here called Christian. One of the things he was worried about was he wore all the PPE. He wore safety glasses. He wore ear protection. He wore a N95 mask every day. If he was doing anything with the brakes, he had a mask on. Did anybody in the shop make fun of him? Nope. Wear your PPE. Take care of your body. Don't put your body at risk of getting injured. Injuries suck. The older you get, the worse they suck. Don't try to lift that thing that you can't really lift. Get help. Do it a different way, but take care of your body. As I can attest, a scratch on your cornea hurts like Hades. Sad part is I was working on my wife's car. Piece of plastic came up, hit me in the eyeball, and oh! So wear your PPE, get a knee pad. They're not expensive, but take care of your body. Do not let your youth deceive you into thinking that you are invincible. You are not. Taking a chunk of rust to the eyeball, well, is going to hurt. Taking a cutoff wheel to the eyeball is really going to hurt, and you're going to be blind. So, put it on. If anybody says anything, well, chances are they probably can't hear you because they're deaf because they didn't wear hearing protection. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.